Picture this. You just dropped over $1,000 on a brand new iPhone 17e, excited to finally use Apple Intelligence. You tap the Siri button, ask it to summarize a long email, and watch the glowing edge animation spin. Then a thought creeps into your mind. Is this about to show up on my credit card bill next month? The rumor mill has been churning nonstop about whether Apple will charge a monthly subscription for its AI features. Analysts at Counterpoint Research told CNBC that Apple could charge between $10 and $20 per month for premium Apple Intelligence functions. Bloomberg's Mark Gurman has repeatedly reported that Apple's long-term plan involves something called Apple Intelligence Plus, a paid tier with extra capabilities. But here is where the facts get messy and where you need to separate rumor from reality. The confirmed fact: Apple Intelligence is completely free today for anyone with a compatible iPhone, iPad, or Mac. There is no monthly fee, no hidden charge, no trial period that auto-renews into a payment. Writing tools, cleanup and photos, notification summaries, and live translation all work without asking for your wallet. Tim Cook himself addressed this directly in an interview with Wired magazine. He stated, "We never talked about charging for it. We view it sort of like multi-touch, which enabled the smartphone revolution and the modern tablet." That is a direct quote from the CEO, not a leaked memo or analyst prediction. So where did the $20 rumor come from? Analysts like Neil Shah from Counterpoint Research and Ben Wood from CCS Insight have publicly speculated that Apple could eventually bundle advanced AI features into Apple One or iCloud Plus subscriptions. They are not reporting an official Apple announcement. They are making educated guesses based on Apple's history of monetizing services like iCloud storage and Apple Music. The truth is more nuanced and far less alarming for your monthly budget. Mark Gurman of Bloomberg, the same journalist who floated the Apple Intelligence Plus idea, later clarified the timeline. He wrote that it will likely take at least 3 years for Apple to develop AI features compelling enough that anyone would actually pay for them. And in a more recent March 2026 report, Gurman shifted the narrative entirely. He now says the opportunity for Apple to directly charge for AI may have already passed. The new strategy is far more classic Apple. Instead of building a paid AI subscription, Apple wants AI to sell more iPhones, iPads, and Macs. The real monetization happens when you upgrade your device to get the latest Apple Intelligence features. Morgan Stanley analysts echo this view, noting that a paid tier might not arrive until 2027 at the earliest, if ever. The rumor that Apple Intelligence requires a monthly subscription right now is false. It is an idea based on analyst speculation and Apple's long-term service revenue ambitions, not a current product offering. Will Apple eventually ask you to pay $10 a month for a supercharged version of Siri? Maybe, but right now, the AI in your pocket is free. Enjoy it while it lasts, because nothing in tech stays free forever.